Hey, what's going on, everybody? Well, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna go meet up with Aaron. He's gonna go, or he acquired some headers for his car. If you're following his channel, he unboxed some, I don't remember the brand, but he unboxed some headers that he got from DSG Speed Shop out in Justin, Texas. He got them for a really good price. I don't remember how much he said, like $600 or $700 or something like that. But he's going over to DSG up in Hurst, Texas, down the road a little ways from me. So I'm going to meet up with him. So these guys were saying, according to Aaron, that they can get this done in like 2 to 3 hours or something like that, which is amazing. Because I remember I put headers on my 06 Mustang, and that took me a better part of a day to do with the help of a buddy at work when I worked at Ford. So if these guys say they can get it done in 2 to 3 hours, that's amazing. So I'm gonna go and head over there and we'll continue this there. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I made it here to DSG Speed Shop at 3501 Bell Street, or Bell Drive in Hurst, Texas. Apparently they used to be somewhere else. So yeah, so here's their sign. They used to be in Kennedale. So yeah, they used to be in Kennedale, so they moved back, or they moved to a new location, I should say. This is my first time ever being here, and I pulled up, man, they got all sorts of stuff here, or customers' cars, I should say. Like, you know, got this car here, a blown 7.3. I'm curious to see that. I wonder if this is a customer's car, maybe the owner's truck. Aaron's here, got a bunch of different cars, probably customer cars or maybe employee cars. This car here, I really like this one, a Hennessy. Wow, a Hennessy GT350. And I got a bunch of other cars over here. And looks like we got a Bullet and a Ford Explorer. And this one, this is what I really like. I've always wanted, I've never seen these things in person. The Shelby Super Snake F-150. This thing is sick. Yeah, I could definitely go for one of these right now, let me tell you. But where's Aaron? Hey Ron.
Yo.
Where you is?
I'm right here.
Here him is.
What up?
So, tell the viewers what kind of headers did you get?
Speed Engineering?
Speed Engineering?
Yeah, I've never used them or heard of them. But the shop that I got them from, he had them in stock. I did a direct exchange for made them t-shirts. In exchange, he's like, I have these headers in stock. The price point is a lot more affordable than people who spend like $1,500, sometimes even $2,000. So these are around the $600 price range. So, and the quality is good. The fitment is good from everything that I heard. So, and then you're probably going to spend anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to install them, depending on who installs them. So that's why we're here. But DSG said they can bang these out in probably under 3 hours. So not bad.
3 hours. Took me half a day to do on a 06 GT.
On my S197 at a shop, that took them 8 hours on a lift. So if it's 3 hours or under, I'll be impressed. So
amazing.
Yeah.
So why did you decide to go with those besides the price point? Is that the only reason?
That's one. He's like, if I go with another brand, I'm gonna have to upcharge you because I gotta order them in bulk. If I get you like another one, so it's like, well, and I have them in stock in a box, so you could just take it home now. So it's like, okay. So I took the box I left. So
deal. Yeah.
So I mean, try them out, and I figured it's good for content to try a brand that not a lot of people have used, and something. I don't know. We'll see. I think it'll be right.
Word. Cool. Alright, so we got Aaron's car. They're pulling it into the shop now. And they got a whole bunch of cars back here. Yeah, this here is what I'm talking about. Oh shit, man, they got Carol Shelby's signature on there. And that's nice. It's like they've been working on some of these cars for a while. So this here's, I believe the owner's name is Jason. Here's his Fox body he drag races. It's like he's got a Coyote in here, properly done. None of that LS swap nonsense. So we got his car pulled in, getting it all set up, getting it put on the lift. So they're saying 2 to 3 hours. That's gonna be amazing. But I'm gonna try to stay out of their way. So it did like less than 1 hour and they already got the driver's side out. That's impressive. One side out, the other one going in. Yeah. All right, so it's what, 12:20 right now. So we have been here for what, maybe an hour or so, and they already got the factory manifolds out. There's one there, there's the other one. And they already got both sets of headers in, so yeah, like I said, 2 to 3 hours and they'll be done. So if anybody's wanting to get headers installed on their S550 Mustang, or even any Mustang I should say, not just the S550, yeah, these guys have gotten the old ones out and the new long tubes in less than 2 hours. They got to install the rest of the exhaust piping, the mid pipes and all that stuff back there. So yeah, I mean, if anybody needs any kind of work done to their Mustang, definitely hit up DSG Performance. I'll add a link in the description. I think the best way to get a hold of them is on their Facebook page, DSG Performance. So the mechanicking continues. All right, so it's only been a couple of hours and already in. Got the headers in, got all the piping in. Looks like they're just putting some last minute touches to it. So yeah, just a matter of a couple hours, they are practically done with this car. But so like I said earlier, if you need any kind of work done to your Mustang, hit up DSG Performance. All right, well, they got the headers in, they got it all buttoned up, the hood closed, the lift arms out the way. So the moment of truth is upon us.
Corsa X pipe.
So yeah, so Aaron is selling his Corsa X pipe. He's gonna post on Facebook Marketplace How much did you say you were thinking?
3,000.
3,000.
Our best offer.
Yeah, 3,000 our best offer.
It's all yours.
I kind of think 500 to 600 will probably sell more than 3,000. He'll settle for that. Yeah. But yeah, so it's $3 grand. $3 grand if you really want.
If you want it, it's
Gonna be loud as shit. Wow, that's loud. That sounds good though.
Sound that bad?
Sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah. So, in a matter of just a few hours, 2 to 3 hours, like I said, header's installed, in and out of the shop. It's amazing. You can hear him driving around the corner still. All right, Aaron, the car's all done. What are your thoughts on it?
Sounds like the way it should. Should have got headers on the car a long time ago.
So do you think this is something that Ford should add from the factory, headers?
They are not, I mean, the version I have, probably not. I did say in my video, I do have a little bit of rubbing, slightly, on the driver's side motor mount. So if it ever causes like a false knock, or if it becomes an issue, I may have to trim the nut or the bolt that's barely touching on the header. So I don't think it's gonna be an issue, but if it ever becomes one, I just might take it here or someplace else and trim it so it doesn't rub. So other than that, it sounds awesome. It took them like maybe 2 hours, right? They didn't start until like 11:30
ish. Yeah, 11:30 ish. It's almost one.
They got done almost a half an hour ago. So it's about 2 hours, maybe a little bit over 2 hours. So they do a lot of these, so they bang it out pretty quick.
Yeah, they it's like they got it down to a science that they've done so many.
Well, he said he used to do like 3 header jobs a day on these cars, which is
that's amazing. Yeah,
so.
I mean, shoot, it took me and another mechanic at Ford like half a day to do my 06 GT that I had back in the day.
Ridiculous. Yeah.
But
so right,
let's fire it up, dude. I want to hear it from inside. Let's see how loud this amazing American machine sounds.
Don't step on my sticker.
Here we go.
Yep. Am I radio on? No key detected. I should probably get my key. How is that possible? Wait.
Put your keys in your pocket.
It says no key detected. What the fuck?
Learn your car, man.
Did they give me the right? Yeah, that's my keys.
Roll the window up. How loud is it? Window up.
Hang on.
Not too bad. I mean, it's going to be a little bit loud because you got the back seat lowered. It's not ridiculously loud.
Give it a little bit.
Sounds good though, man. You can hear that in the exhaust note.
Let me ask them about this.
What?
No key thing.
Don't worry about it. Turn the car off and turn it back on.
It's got the check engine light on it. There we go. Now it is. Check engine light. Yeah. I don't think it's going to cause any issues.
Do you have a code reader?
My deep one?
Yeah.
My...
All right, so Aaron said the check engine light just came on. He's gonna go run inside and see if that's an issue. So, I mean, that's always gonna be an issue with these cars, or any car for that matter, when you put long tubes on, because the O2 sensors are freaking out that, hey, there's more exhaust flowing through it, and the ECU's freaking out like, whoa, there's too much going on here, you need to get this checked out. Don't worry about it. It's not gonna make the car run terrible. It's gonna pull timing on it, but that's said to be normal until you get it tuned. So he's gonna probably hit up his tuner, probably do a data log, send it to him, and they'll send him a revised tune to have that corrected. Gotta do this 20-point turn. Oh, he's gonna scrape. You're good on this side. You're gonna scrape a little bit. What? I said you're gonna scrape a little bit. Maybe. Keep coming. You're good, man. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds really good. All right, well, I'm going to close this one out. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, but definitely a big shout out to DSG for doing this work on Aaron's car. They do great work, in my opinion. This is my first time ever coming to the shop, but like I said, they got this done in a matter of just a couple hours, and it was 2 mechanics working on it, but I was very impressed. They say they do like 3 of those installs like a day, or they can get 3 done in a day, and I 100% believe them. Especially considering how fast it took to in and out. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out, and if you like what you saw, please hit that like, hit that subscribe, drop a comment, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.